Butterfly is a yin yoga variation of bound angle pose and is a gentle and gradual way of opening the hips. Start with the soles of the feet together and the hands around the tops of the feet. Ensure that your spine is straight. If it's rounded, you might want to sit on the edge of a cushion to help. Keeping the outside edges of the feet touching, open the inside edges outwards. Keep the breath steady, and then as you exhale, soften the hips and gently squeeze the muscles of the outer thighs and glutes to allow the knees to drop lower. Inhale to lengthen through the spine and release the outer thighs and glutes. You can repeat this a few more times. For an extension, you may also be able to lean your body forward on an exhale. To release, gently bring the knees back together. For locust pose, start by lying on your front, arms alongside the body, palms facing up and forehead on the mat. First, inhale as you lift the legs together, keeping them straight, not bending them at the knees. And then release on an exhale. You can do this a few times, keeping your upper body pressed into the mat. Breathing in to lift and breathing out to come back down. Inhale as you lift the legs up, keeping them straight, and exhale to bring them back down, keeping the upper body pressed into the mat. Next, just lift the upper body as you inhale, engaging your back muscles, keeping the neck long, and release on your exhale. Then you're going to lift the upper body and the legs and the arms as well, and releasing as you exhale. Inhaling to lift up and exhaling to release. Locust pose gently works the muscles of the back while opening the front of the body. And then relax.